explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is letter writing, right? So in this chapter, we are going to learn that how we can frame these letters. So letters are the ones जिन्हें हम अपने relatives, अपने friends या फिर अपने family members को लिखते हैं, right? So let's see how we are going to frame these letters. Read the following letter and its reply. तो यहाँ पर हमें एक letter दिया गया है और साथ ही उस letter का जो reply आया वो भी दिया हुआ है. So let's see how they have framed this. So it is 158 Pritampura Enclave, Delhi, 18 September, obviously the date you are going to mention. My dear Rekha, I am glad to inform you that we have arranged a party for a few friends on Sunday evening. I wish you to join the party and enjoy the same with us. I do hope you will not disappoint me. Ever yours, Neelam. Right? Now, let's read कि इस letter का reply क्या आया. 19 by B, Gomti Nagar, Delhi. Then the date. My dear Neelam, thank you for your kind invitation. I shall be glad to join the party on Sunday evening. Ever yours, Rekha. Right? सिंपल तरीके से हमने एक इनविटेशन फ्रेम किया पार्टी के लिए और सिंपल तरीके से हमने उस पार्टी इनविटेशन का जो रिप्लाई था वो भी फ्रेम किया. Right? Now, as you can see, we have some points to remember over here. कि क्या क्या points हैं जो हमें ध्यान में रखने चाहिए जब भी हम letters frame कर रहे हो तब. So the first point is writer's address. सबसे पहले हमें writer का जो address होता है वो पहले लिखना चाहिए. Then the date हमेशा mention करनी चाहिए. The date should be the same on which you are writing the letter. Subject matter और body of the letter, यानी कि जो भी रीज़न है, जो पर्पस है लेटर लिखने का, वो अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन होना चाहिए. उसे पढ़ के सब कुछ समझ आना चाहिए. It should be in a very easy language. Then complimentary words and name, यानी कि जो आप words जैसे my dear, greetings देते हो, name लिखते हो, वो बहुत ज़्यादा mandatory है. उस पर हमें खास ध्यान देना चाहिए. Right? Now as you can see, we have the worksheet और इस worksheet में 2 questions हैं that are your homework. You're going to do it by yourself and practice how to frame these letters, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all got it well and you all are clear with the things. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.